Okay, well, a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're fit and well. And the pound dollar, been in this for 18 hours, as you can see up the top there, and another successful trade. So the last three trades, we've had two winners and one loser. The loser with the Australian US went in a little bit too, should we say, prematurely, and had to re-enter that and to regain our money, the losses, and then actually end up ahead. So, in fact, I'll show you these trades in just a moment. Let me just pause the video here a second. And the reason I'm doing that is because some personal account information will spring up on my screen, and this is a real account, okay? This is a real deal with real money, real emotions, and real results. So bear with me just a moment. Okay, back with you. So this is my profit table here. You can see at the top right of the screen, we're up to $170.46. So I'm actually waiting for a big trade to come up whereby we're at very hard resistance, and we should make a substantial increase on that. Now over here, you can see this is the pound that we've just done. Okay, pound dollar, 18 hours, so that was a success. Yesterday's trade was the Australian dollar. The first one was the loser here. Okay, and then there was a better technical setup later. So hence, this is where risk management comes in. I committed more money to the second trade in order to regain the losses, get the losses back, and be up on the day. Okay, so that worked out well. And we had a small loss here, and then it's just, before that, on the, a few days beforehand, on the 6th of March there, had 1, 2 winners, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so it goes, alright? But I won't bore you with all of that. And on the big chart, it looks, where are we? Pound. Here we go. So that's what's been happening. And the Australian looks like this. So in actual fact, that red vertical line is where we came out of the Australian trade, and that was all rather good. So things are looking pretty good. There's quite a few opportunities at the moment with the volatility, which is always useful. And if the Euro Australian went back around here, I would be very tempted to short that again. The pound yen, nothing much happening there. Dollar yen, well, nothing much there either. And the Euro yen looks like that. Oil is trading 60.96, but I'm very happy with this trade on, if we look at the daily, see there's a bit of resistance there. It's not clear cut, but it was good enough yesterday because this surge in the pound was because of political weakness, or political weakness is probably the wrong thing to say, but because of bad news, it certainly weakened the dollar. And there you're on the 4-hour chart, and this is the only time I use the moving average, just to give me a bit of an idea about momentum. So there we go. There's quite a few successful trades. 8 of the last 9 trades have all been profitable. From me, Nick, wherever you are in the world today, this is the trading room. And I hope you can join me during the New York session when I will be trading live in the near future. Hope it helps. Leave some comments if you like, as long as they're polite. And take good care. All the best. Thanks for watching.